Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get free shipping on Alibaba on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, if you haven't already downloaded the Alibaba app from the App Store, open it and sign in or create an account. If you don't have one, having an account is important because free shipping deals often shows up only when you are logged in. Next, type in the product you want in the search bar. When the results come up, look for item that says free shipping under the price. Alibaba makes it easy to filter for free shipping item. Here is a tip: tap filter, then scroll to shipping and select free shipping. Now the list will only show the items that don't charge you for delivery. This saves you time and money. Before you order, always check the supplier rating and shipping time. Some free shipping options take a few weeks, so make sure it's okay for you. Reading reviews can also help you avoid any surprises. Finally, add the item to your cart and check out. Make sure the shipping cost is $0 before paying, and that's it. You have just scored a product on Alibaba with shipping using your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.